What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. This is Wayfarer Hawaii, and I'm your captain here, Captain Joseph Frank. If you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to hit the like or subscribe button. We're just a small little adventure YouTube channel where I just try to show a little bit of my lifestyle. How's it? What's up, everybody? I'm just working on my boat and drinking some margarita. Happy Aloha Sunday, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working on. But yeah, check out the boat. Standing here right now, and I'm gonna try to sand as much as I can today. So you guys can see there's a lot of sanding. Whew. Can't make it back to work. Looks so good. What's up, guys? Today is the day I'm gonna try to lower my mast, and I'll show you guys what I came up with. Ouch. No luck. So my plan is to sand all this wood down. I know you guys are probably gonna give me a hard time in the comments, but I think I'm gonna varnish this. It's gonna look a lot better. I'm gonna be really happy when the boat's ready. I have a Patreon if you guys want to help out too, and you know, contribute. I got some cool merch and stuff, so you guys can check that out. But yeah, gonna continue working. So I just wanted to show you guys my boom and give you guys kind of an idea of what I was thinking with the mast. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna spray down the boat and show you guys what it looks like after. I've still got so much work to do on this boat. Like I want to sand this tiller. I want to get the back teak rail and just trying to really get the teak in good condition. I know I've been doing a lot of sanding, but there's a lot of dark spots I want to get out, and I'm gonna have to fix this wood area here. But yeah, I just decided to work on the boat today because I've been having been thinking about finances and stuff, and it's getting really hard to balance finances and renting an apartment and taking care of my boat. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. But yeah, I'm gonna probably have a coffee and get the boat all locked up, and then I'm probably gonna head home and enjoy a nice evening and watch a movie or something. On my next episode, I'm gonna be doing some varnish work, and I wanted to just explain the next episode that's coming up next. It's gonna be a little bit more detailed, and hopefully we can tackle this mast lowering project. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like it.